Hi guys, sorry about my appearance. Most of you know that I had surgery, so forgive me. But today is an exciting day because we are picking the winner to our Winter Solstice contest. So let me go over the bars of soap again. We have In the Air Tonight, which is scented in Alpine Sheer. We have our beautiful Mr. Blue Sky, which is scented in Winter Blue Sky. We have Love My Way, which is scented in Winter Candy Apple. And we have our Save a Prayer, scented in Frankincense and Myrrh. So, this is how it's going to work. I have, because you guys don't fit in my husband's lucky Red Wings hat anymore, I have everybody in this bowl. And I'm going to pick a winner out of this bowl. And if you happen to be a content creator, then I will go on your YouTube page and see if there's any contact information. But if you're not a content creator, my email address will be in the description box below. So please contact me. I'd like to get this out to you before Christmas because that would be fantastic. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to mix you guys all up. And pick a winner, just one. And it is Pit Stop 1998. So if this is you, then you are the winner. And please contact me. Like I said, I'm going to go on your page and see if I can contact you. And congratulations. I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And so do my grandbabies who are standing right here.
Hi.
So they're going to get in the picture. Hey, Ava, get out of there. Oh, sorry guys. I will see you later. Bye-bye.